Hello and welcome back for Interactive Staircase Part 2. I released Part 1 a few weeks ago and the response I got online was beyond my wildest expectations. On 9gag I got over 900 upvotes, Reddit, the Arduino subreddit, I got 11,000 views and the hottest post of the day, and the Arduino folks were kind enough to post about my project on their official Twitter. So that was really awesome. I didn't expect that, so thank you to everyone who said something nice to me in comments or liked or shared, anything like that. And of course, when a video does well, much like a movie, you make a sequel, which is what I've done for you today. And in this sequel, I have just added more lighting effects. At the moment, you can see some rainbows behind me. Unlike the first video, I'm not going to talk at you too much, so I'm just going to dive right in and show you the new effects. So enjoy! And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the new effects I've added to the staircase. Unlike the first effect in part 1, these effects are actually kind of useful, although they're more designed just for entertainment than for actual functionality. These won't be on my stairs forever, but you can actually see more of the staircase when you walk up compared to the blue light trail effect in video number 1. So if you liked the video, as usual, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you had a favorite effect or if you have any suggestions for any more effects. And I do plan on making a video number 3 at some point, but for the time being, I'm going to shelve this project and work on some other stuff I've got cooking up in here. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon for whatever my next video ends up being. Thank you, bye.